Culture Vocabulary Quiz. Please write in your name, class period, and date. Write in the correct answer choice using the word bank. The following choices are culture, polytheism, beliefs, and monotheism. Question number 1. The belief in one God. Question number 2. The belief in many gods. For questions 3 through 9, match the correct letter with the definition. Your answer choices are A, cultural convergence, B, cultural groups, C, cultural diffusion, D, cultural traits, E, push factor, F, society, G, pull factor. Question number 3. This is when a culture spreads its knowledge and skills to other cultures. Question number 4. Factors that force a person to move from one place to another. Question number 5. The tendency for cultures to become more alike as they increasingly share technology. Question number 6. Shared norms which refer to the expectation for behavior within a particular cultural group. Question number 7. People who interact in a defined territory and share culture. Question number 8. Factors that encourage a person to come to a new place. Question number 9. The specific customs that are part of everyday life of a particular culture. For question number 10, select one of the multiple choice answers. Number 10, ideas about reality. For example, some cultures believe in one God, while others believe in many gods. Your answer choices are A, language, B, beliefs, C, values. Please go back and check your answers. Do not turn it in until everything has been selected. Take your time. Good luck.